Okay, start the car. Plenty of oil pressure. In here, it's knocking a lot. Don't really want to run it any more than that. The noise is coming from the flywheel housing in there.